Hey, hello and welcome to our channel, guys. So today in this video, we're gonna talking about the top 5 teachers who have been fired for their ridiculous reasons. So without any further delay, let's get started. In number 5 here it comes Monica Toro for being a lesbian. You would think that it's none of anyone's business what a person's sexual orientation is. But when it comes to a place like Covenant Christian School in Palm Bay, Florida, it's everyone's business. Monica Toro was a seasoned theater teacher and the director of the school's plays, but on October 2019, she was called into the school's administrator's office unexpectedly. Not knowing what was happening, she strolled in and was outed as a lesbian, which was something she kept private for up to that point. They told me that something called the school with allegations against me and said I was in a relationship with another woman, that I attend pride events and that I host homosexual activities at the studio. She was outed after spending 35 years in the school, so she decided to admit who she was and she was promptly fired for violating the school's morality policy. But only after she was lectured about sin, Monica Toro is fighting the termination, but there's not much hope she will be successful. As of early 2020, there are no federal or Florida states protecting LGBTQ peoples from termination. So in number 4 in our list here it comes Professor Nicholas Goddard for starring in adult film. Most people expect the teachers watching over their children to be of good moral judgment, and while it's not necessarily immoral to film yourselves having sex, few parents would be pleased to learn that their children's lecture was a porn star. That's what happening in 2016 when the University of Manchester learned that one of its professors has been involving in filming pornography. A decade earlier, Goddard, an Oxford-educated chemical engineering teacher, had gone through a stressful divorce and turned to porn as an outlet. As one shows, the university suspended him immediately, and if you search of Goddard's online, you will find that the then 60 years old professor appeared in dozens of films, often with women 40 years his junior, under these premises, as that was the age of most of his students. It's no wonder the university took action when his pornography career came to light. With the suspension active, Goddard stepped down and resigned from this teaching position. He wasn't technically fired, but he knew he eventually would be and opted to take control of his situation and return to pornography. In number 3 in our list, it's come Alison Wint for saying the word vagina. Alison Wint was working as a substitute art teacher at a Michigan middle school when the topic of Georgia O'Keeffe war came up as a topic of conversation. Now, if you know anything about O'Keeffe's portfolio, it's that all of those flowers were representative of vaginas. It's not some lurid conspiracy theories about their paintings, it's a widely accepted interception of their work. While there's nothing wrong with that, it seems the administrators at the Harpers Creek Middle School will avoid the teacher for her paintings, but not the utterance of the word vagina. What she actually said, as she recalls to the Detroit Free Pass, was imagine walking into a gallery when O'Keeffe was first showing her pieces and thinking, I'm actually seeing vaginas here. I'm either a pivot or this woman was a pivot. She said the word approximately 10 times in the course of her instruction, though it was never in a vulgar capacity. The following day, the school principal informed that she violated the school's policy of discussing reproductive health without prior approval and terminated her. So in number 2 in our list here it comes Victoria Papova for wearing a one-piece bathing suit. Victoria Papova was a teacher at school number 7 in Omas, Croatia. Until some photos of there were found online, the picture didn't show her doing anything naughty or nasty. She was simply wearing a bathing suit. According to the Siberian Times, Victoria had posted pictures of herself modeling swimwear on her Instagram page, and for that she was fired for bringing her school and professor into disrepute. The firing sparked outrage on social media, and with short order, more than 3,000 other women and teachers posted pictures online of themselves in bikinis and other swimwears, with the hashtag Teachers are Peoples Too. Interestingly, this was one situation where the social media outrage may have worked. When the swimsuit photo began posting all over the internet, the Omas region government made an announcement that Victoria could return to her job. The government issued a statement. The question of Victoria's future employment has been decided. She may decide to work as a teacher either in her school or another one. Through this was undoubtedly good news. Other options popped, such as a result of the controversial firings. as she was quickly courted by the modeling agency Plus Size Omask. So in number 1 in our list, here it comes Terry James for getting pregnant. Private religious schools often has morality and lifestyle clauses in their contracts. When a teacher or other employees is found to have broken one of those clauses, they are often terminated, but even when this happens, it's actually unfair and outright ridiculous. For one teacher, it became a college and she didn't sign a lifestyle contract, which in fact says that she must refrain from premarital sex, as that was school standings as it related to living a supposed holy lifestyle. It was all going well and good for Miss James right up to point she became pregnant. That wasn't something she couldn't hide, and as a result, the school terminated her for having premarital sex. That's not the end of her story. Through when she left the school, the job was offered to the man who impregnated her, that man being her fiancé who also engaged in premarital sex. This was a perfect example of the disparity of treatment of women and men when it comes to this so-called lifestyle morality cause in contacts. Women are often fired over wearing bathing suits while men aren't, and seeing as men can be pregnant, James was singled out. So these are the list of top 10 teachers who have been fired for their ridiculous reasons. So if you find this video helpful, do you please share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuffs like this. So till then, bye.